Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Today is Thursday, June the 12th. We are back at Walgreens and we are in store today and we are whipping up a couple Olay deals and we're going to be really nerding out with the math to get these for $1 each. So the first thing we're going to talk about is this. This is a paper booster that's been printing when the majority of us are going to get like a little free print if there might be a coupon code. There isn't one currently right now. Or alternatively, if you order the smallest print, which is a 4x6 for 39 cents, you order the photo, you go pick it up at the store, and you punch in your phone number on the keypad. For the majority of us, this has been printing. So it's once per day, I've noticed. And if you haven't been getting the digital boosters, if this prints for you, we have two different deals. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to look at is with the Olay body wash at $7 a pop. And when you purchase $20 worth, you're going to be getting a $5 register reward. And we also have this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 3. All manufacturer digitals for all the new shoppers out there are of a one-time use. So keep that in mind. You can either do this deal or the second deal. Also, we have $1 back for each with a limit of up to 5, but we're only going to get 3 with IBOTTA, so that's an additional $3 back. Double, triple check you have these IBOTTA rebates as well. Basic math, and remember, we have to do this one in store because of the booster and the register reward. Not negotiable. 3 of these at $7 a pop is 21. Subtracting that wonderful 5 off 3 digital. Scan your paper booster as well. You'll pay $16 with your debit card, credit card, or bills, getting back a $5 register reward, $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster. Photograph your receipt for $3 back from IBOTTA, $1 for each body wash. The final price point here is 3 for 3 or $1 per liquid Olay Gold body wash. Let's remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance because you're using that spend booster, but what a sensational deal. And let me know in the comments down below, do you prefer Dove or Olay? Always been an Olay girl here. I think it is the gold standard for body wash. It is my favorite. Second deal that we're looking at is with the bar soap. And again, you need your best friend. So you pick, do you want to do the bar soap or do you want to do the liquid? That is the question. So we're going to be picking up 3 of these Olay bar soaps, and they are $8 a pop. Either find them in a front display or in the back with all of the body wash. They sometimes hide it. Again, you need your best friend loaded. And guys, either you will be doing the bar soap or the body wash because this is of a one-time use, this digital coupon. On IBOTTA, $2 back for each. Only certain accounts got this rebate. So you're going to have to double, triple check if you may have it. I personally didn't get it, but I have a really good friend in Lansing. She got it, so she sent me the screenshot. She's like, here you go. So here it is, guys, in store. 3 of the 6 packs of the Olay bar soap is $24. It's $8 a pop, so 3 times 8, that's how I'm getting it. Subtracting that gorgeous 5 off 3 digital, scan your paper booster, the 5 back when you spend 15. With your debit card, a little bit more, you're paying 19 plus tax. You're getting back a $5 register reward for the promotion of spend 20 to earn back that 5. $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster, and then $2 back for each bar soap, so that's $6 back from IBOTTA. The final price point here is 3 for 3 or $1 per 6 pack of Olay bar soap. Do not use any Walgreens cash with this deal as you're using the booster of spend 15 to earn back 5, but what a fantastic deal. Before I take off into the big sunset, tomorrow is the first day of almost a week-long clearance event over at the Dollar General. I know a lot of you are very firm and strong pharmacy shoppers, but I think it's time to maybe dip a toe into Dollar General. I make a very easy video with digital coupons and just basically talking you guys through how some of these deals work. And if some of these price points don't capture your attention, I don't know what will. So I definitely check out the video here. Maybe it's time to start shopping at the Dollar General, and we will catch you at the next one. Bye, guys.